Hi everybody. Well, Noah's going to be a Game Boy. Yeah. I'm laughing because he jumped.
I didn't jump.
Oh, didn't you? Oh, okay. It just looked like he jumped there for a second. But, whoa, stop blurring so we can... And the reason why it's blurred, guys, is because there's no light down there. Well, the light isn't that bright, but I think it's unblurred a little bit now. But Noah is... I can feed her. I don't need tongs. I can just use my fingers, Nana. And with Apani at this particular point in her life, you pretty much can feed her with just holding it between your fingers.
Does she have another one?
No, she just has that one. But of course I've got Tessa to feed tonight. So if he wants to, he can hold it by the tail with his hand and try and feed Tessa. What do you think?
I'm doing it with the tongue. She's already bit me once and...
I know, but that's okay.
I don't want that to happen again, but it won't hurt.
I can see you've done a little bit of urate. No, just urate over there. So, after she's finished having that...
That smells.
the rat smells, yes. After she's finished eating, I will actually get that out for her. I did check it, probably, I don't know, half an hour ago. And there was nothing really there, but she's obviously moved something for me and now I can see it. But anyway, she'll enjoy that fuzzy. So, ciao. Okay, everybody, look at my lily girl. When Noah gets a handle on it for her, but my lily girl is hungry. So, she hasn't eaten for quite a while now, as you know. So, I'm glad she's eating again. So all's good back in Lily's world. And Myah, of course, is having her meal. So what I did was I only put a few in, thinking, well, I'll offer Lily, but if she doesn't eat, then Myah will. And it turns out Lily's eating, so now I've got more out. So both my girls, or two of my girls, are going to have a nice meal tonight. Thanks, Noah.